Emakhosini bantwana bethonga, ngiyanamkela namhlanje ngithanda ukuphendula one of the questions in the comment section. Umuntu othe gogo mina angiphuphi inhlobo. So I was like, guys, akekho umuntu ongaphuphi man. Yabona mawuthi at all ufuna ukuthi wena awukaze ngisho awukaze wabona nekati lindlula, awukaze wabona ephushweni ugijima ungazi ukuthi uyapi, awukaze waphupha something nje, it's weird. But again, based on what you're saying, because obviously I cannot invalidate because asifanani, kungathola ukuthi wavalwa wena amaphupho, kwavalwa wena amaphupho ukuthi ungaboni kwesinye isikhathi because I can't say even ukuthi uyabanga, because if uyabanga abantu abakubangayo bayakulwela, so they would want to show you in the dreams ukuthi hey umntanethu nalwathi nathi yabo bafuna ubayenzele. So it's not that, it's either uvaliwe mntanethong. I think you need to go see a healer, babone ukuthi kuyenzakalani, ugeze uhlambululwe. But what you can do is also uthenge indwangu emhlophe 1 meter of a white cloth and put it underneath umqamelo wakho, your pillow, when you sleep. Then make sure that you pray, make sure that because sometimes maybe uyaphupha but uvuka ukhohliwe at all, so when according to you did not dream at all. So you can also get a glass of water when you pray and phahla at night, then we share lapho emsamo noma leave it. Ngiyaxolisa ngithi step way call, I don't know where I ended, but yeah. So poor child. So yeah, try to pray, phahla, speak to your people. What else you can do? Cleanse your aura. Cleanse your aura. Check the food that you eat. Don't eat too oily food. Don't eat spicy food. Don't eat immediately when you go to bed. Try to eat by 6 o'clock. 6 ntambama. Eat so that ukudla kukrasheke. Do not eat too much meat or cut meat at all. Food in your case, cut meat at all. Like cut meat. Drink lots of water. And more phahla, try ungasaphahleli endlini. Yeah, ehlani uyophahlela khona, so that they can hear you better, so that it's easier for them to communicate with you. Emakhosini lesidi khanya qamakunda uwe.